Right. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I have a very special guest on my channel today, and it is my Aunt Linda.
Hello.
Oh my God, I'm so excited to have you here.
I'm so happy to have you here.
Oh my, guys, I'm visiting her. We are in Boca Raton, Florida. You just moved here.
2 months ago.
And she's thriving.
Very much so. I love it.
My aunt, my dearest aunt, she has taught me all things luxe. So we love her on this channel. I bring you up often in my videos and I tell them, yes, you have taught me so much. So we've been shopping nonstop, going to beaches, having a blast, but we have bought such special things. She is also the aunt who loves La Prairie. It's going to be coming up in an upcoming vlog. She's going to show you like her.
Love my La Prairie. Yes, I do.
Oh my gosh. And that's like your favorite brand, right?
For right now it is, yeah. At different times in my life, different brands, but right now La Prairie is it. Just keep going back.
Yeah, that's the one that you've been using for the longest time.
Yes,
though.
it is.
And your favorite line is I'm getting everything out of her now, guys, because I know we want to know. So wait, so the caviar line is your favorite.
Right now it was my favorite. It was in the beginning.
Okay.
And then I went to platinum, and that was my favorite for about 5 years. And then I started feeling like I want to go back to caviar. You know, your skin changes, just like your hair. Over time, mix and match, mix it up. But right now, caviar is my favorite, for sure.
Oh my God. Do you mind if I tell my subscribers like how old you are? Because I think that's like wild.
I don't mind. I don't mind. Go ahead. I believe in truth.
I love that. Guys, she's going to be 60 very soon. And look at how stunning she is. 60. That's what La Prairie does for you. That's what luxury skincare does for you.
It does.
Like
absolutely.
Truly. Mm-hmm. And once you go luxe, going back to Neutrogena just can't cut it.
You feel like your skin is sandpaper. No, you have to. No.
But anyway, today's video is I'm honestly getting ready to hop the plane back home, but we wanted to do a quick unboxing with you today because we both bought Chanel! Oh my God, we've been shopping until we're dropping. So, all right, Aunt Linda, why don't you, I got an item and she got beautiful items that you'll see throughout the vlogs, but why don't you unbox your item first? Oof, don't you guys love the Camilla? Don't you love that, Aunt Linda?
I love it. It's timeless and classic. I keep all the ribbons. I use them as chokers later on. We talked about that.
Yeah, we decorate with the ribbons. We love it. My goodness. I can't wait for you guys to see what you got. We have a little story.
Unboxing. I scored the most beautiful yet simple and elegant Chanel sandals. Let me take out the tissue. And they're gorgeous and great. Do I tell the secret or do you?
First of all, guys, look at these shoes. Like, oh my God, can I touch one? Can I? Of course. I was with her when she got these, and wait, this is all lambskin.
Yes, lambskin, block heel.
Oh,
great.
Stunning, right?
Completely
Gold.
comfortable every day.
Loving it. And then it says gold here. In gold, it says Chanel. Oh my God, made in Italy. Gorgeous.
Very small foot.
So, but wait,
and a half.
So tell them you got these on sale.
I scored Chanel, Worth Avenue in Palm Beach, 40% off in my size, which is amazing. I couldn't let them stay there.
No.
They had to be mine.
So I'm with her and there's like shoes everywhere. So she checks out and she's like, oh yeah, I got 40% off. Like you say this so casually to me. I'm like, wait, 40%? What? In the Chanel boutique in Palm Beach, Worth Avenue. She's like, yeah, they're having a huge sale. So the next day I go back in there because I'm like, well, I'm gonna get shoes that I like. And honestly, these are gorgeous. She got for 40% off. I go in there. And Linda, you dropped me off at the door.
I dropped you off. I was driving around waiting for you to just go pick out your sale shoes.
I already knew what I wanted. So I'm in there. I'm looking for my shoes. I try on. The sales associate's like, oh, we're having the biggest sale right now. It's the slowest part of the year for Chanel. This is why they're doing the 40% off. What we have out is what's available. The shoe that I was trying on was slightly damaged from so many people trying on. 40% off. I'm like, great, I'm gonna buy 2 shoes. I'm sending you pictures.
The heels, the whole bit.
You're like, I love them, everything's great. So I decide, you know what? I'm gonna buy 2 Chanel shoes, 40% off. When does this happen? Right? She goes to ring them up. Oh yeah, this one's not on sale. And it's damaged. And you can't find them anywhere else. So she gets me to fall in love with these specific shoes. I'm like, I was annoyed. I felt hustled.
Yeah, it was a Chanel hustle. And that's never happened before in my experience.
Telling somebody, putting a shoe on the sale, they were on the sales rack. Person's telling me the whole time that they're on sale. So in the meantime, there was another pair in the same style on the same rack, just different color, different size in gold. So I looked at her, I go, well, what about those gold ones? Because they're on the same rack. Are they on sale? She goes, oh, those ones are on sale. But the pink ones, because you guys know I picked pink, aren't. And I also was talking, because she was going to come in, I said, oh, because those are my aunt's size. Oh, so why don't you do this? Why don't you bring your aunt back in and she could try these on and you could look for other shoes or more shoes?
Yeah, I would have bought the shoes because they were on sale. I did like them in gold. But once I found out that the ones you wanted on the same rack in a different color but your size, told they were on sale, then I was like, no, I don't want to go back in there. They're mistreating my niece.
I just felt hustled. I felt like it was being worked, and it kind of disappointed me because it's like, guys, we love Chanel on this channel. We love Chanel. Right? But getting hustled on Worth Ave in Palm Beach, the most luxurious of places in the world.
A surprising move for Palm Beach. I was surprised by that.
Yeah.
That's not to say I didn't have a good experience the day before anyway. I mean, I got a wallet. I got my wallet.
Show them your wallet. Where's your wallet? Oh my God.
I have to, excuse me.
Yeah. Oh no, guys, you have to see her wallet. It's incredible. I honestly think they remembered us from the day before because I was also trying on classic flaps, which was a huge debate. So I think they must have thought, bring the aunt back in, bring Aunt Linda back in. We're going to sell her.
Here's my wallet.
Oh my God, guys.
Go ahead.
Oh, it's in the black caviar. We took her to the beach yesterday, but look at her shine. Guys, this wallet is stunning. And I'm honestly just debating going back and getting it for myself. It's gorgeous. You can use it as a clutch, everything. This was an amazing buy. Gorgeous. So we went back to the mall. Yeah, you didn't even see what I got.
I have not seen it yet, and I'm very excited.
She got a picture. I'm so excited because I ended up getting this at Saks at a different mall altogether, unexpectedly. Oh, I love little black boxes with bows. I love little black boxes with bows, especially when they're camellias.
I love that.
Okay, it's like a Christmas present.
Every day's Christmas.
I feel like it's Christmas, especially when you get a Chanel box. Are you kidding me?
The best.
God, I love walking around the mall with a big Chanel bag and everyone's staring at you. Come on, guys, we love that. Okay, so here is my Luxe box in Chanel. Now, it looks like shoes, but it's not.
What is it? Oh my gosh. Morgan, what?
I got a cashmere stole. Look at this.
Oh my God.
Aunt Linda has yet to see this.
The detail is beautiful.
What do you think?
It's got such a soft and supple hand. It's so beautiful.
And fine.
Lightweight.
It's light.
Oh.
And it's in silver CC. It has this shimmer piping to it. Guys, I walked into the Chanel boutique and I honestly just wanted to look at classic flaps, and I honestly was just I'm not gonna buy anything this trip. I'm just gonna save my money for the next bag purchase or more skincare. Duh. But then I was I saw this hanging. I was can I see that? And then I was I think I wanna buy it, but hold on, guys. It opens up bigger.
Oh, this is really big. This could be a shawl.
That's what I was saying.
Or a sarong.
This is
oh,
a
wow.
moment.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Isn't it?
Let me see the sequin piping. The sequins are so delicate yet so sparkly.
Isn't it beautiful?
Oh my God.
Under the light, I was
everything's
breathtaking.
done by hand.
Isn't this gorge?
Gorgeous. And the emblem right there, the logo.
I'm calling it my new blankie.
Yeah, that's your new blankie. Oh, you're going to have to use this on the plane. Wrap yourself around it.
Oh my God, yes.
That's what you should do.
But I'm going to use it as a winter scarf, a sarong if I want, but oh my God, I love that.
You'll use this as everything.
Yeah, I'm going to use this to death. I love to be practical. So Yeah, I just had the best trip with you, Aunt Linda.
This was a great trip, Margie.
Oh, we had a blast. Mwah! Guys, listen, Aunt Linda is gonna be launching either a blog, a skincare channel. We're gonna get her up and popping more on Instagram. Find her at Linda O NYC. I'm gonna put her Instagram down below. Make sure you guys go follow her, subscribe to her, and you guys can follow her along her luxurious journey. Aunt Linda is always moving and grooving. She is the chicest woman I know.
Aww.
And we need to follow her and support her as my loving aunt. And till the next video, we love you. Stay glowing, stay fabulous, stay luxe. Any last words, Aunt Linda?
Mwah.
Mwah. Bye, guys.